Hi, Dr. Wayne Rawlins. I want to spend some time talking with you about one of the most important things you can do to prevent disease, and that is hand washing with soap and water. Let me tell you about why soap and water is so important. Soap has some marvelous properties. The first property it has is it acts as a surfactant, which is a fancy word for being able to release the virus or germ from your skin. The second property soap has, the chemicals in soap actually damage and destroy the coating of the virus. The third property soap has is with the chemicals and friction, you're able to kill that virus dead. Surfactant, removing the virus from the skin, chemicals destroying the coating of the virus, friction and chemicals killing the virus dead. Soap and water, the most important thing you can do to prevent the spread of disease. Now let's spend some time talking about how to properly wash your hands. First thing you want to do is turn the water on. It should be lukewarm, not too hot, which can scald you, or too cold, which can be uncomfortable. Take about a 25-cent piece of liquid soap and put it in your hands. Put it under the water and rub those hands together. The fronts of your hands, the backs of your hands, your fingertips, in between your fingers. And do this for about 20 seconds. That's about the time it takes to sing the happy birthday song twice. After you're done, rinse your hands in the water and turn off the water with either your sleeve or a paper towel. When you leave the restroom, use a paper towel to open the door because you don't want to get your newly clean hands potentially contaminated with germs that may be on the door handle. I hope I've been able to help you and inform you about how to wash your hands. Good luck and stay healthy.